Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Impreza. A spirited drive and lifestyle-equipped amenities make Subaru Impreza the smart choice for dynamic people. Full throttle fun and performance grounded in safety and efficiency. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, all-wheel drive, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, four-wheel disc brakes, remote trunk release. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.